DeCarteret College is represented this evening by Kejon Allen, Shade Frith, Ilana Kennedy, and team captain Kayla Dunkley. While Hampton School is represented by team captain Ronise McNally, Amelia Bent, LaDonia Rowe, and Chloe Powell. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, welcome back. Welcome to the second round here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz, the second in this evening's doubleheader. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to round 3? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. DeCarteret College won and decided to go first. So we begin with DeCarteret College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, DeCarteret, so we'll begin right away with art. Which self-taught Jamaican artist painted the 1945 work Banana Plantation?
Albert Huey.
No, John Dunkley. Art for Hampton School. Which Jamaican artist did the 1955 sculpture The Banana Man?
Alvin Marriott.
Alvin Marriott.
You're on the board. International Affairs, a visual question for DeCarteret College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Latvia.
Latvia.
That's right. International Affairs for the Hampton School. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Georgia.
Georgia.
Well done, Bible knowledge, DeCarteret. According to Exodus 17, at which specific location did Moses strike the rock to bring forth water for Israel?
Mount Carmel.
No, Horeb. Bible knowledge, Hampton School. In the Gospel of John, which disciple first recognized the resurrected Jesus on the shore of Galilee?
First disciple. Give me what you have.
Peter.
Peter.
No, it's the disciple whom Jesus loved, or Apostle John himself. Biology, DeCarteret. What is the name for the functional unit of the kidney responsible for filtration and urine formation?
Nephron.
Nephron.
Good. Biology, Hampton School. Which blood cells are primarily responsible for human antibody production?
Leukocytes. Leukocytes.
No, they're B lymphocytes or B cells. Music and audio question for DeCarteret College. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer here.
Halsey.
Halsey.
No, it's Ellie Goulding. Love Me Like You Do. Music for Hampton School. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer here.
Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift.
Who else could it be? English language for DeCarteret. Give a 6-letter word starting with W, which means the same as nefarious.
Wicked.
Wicked.
Good. English language, Hampton School. Give a 6-letter word starting with D, which means official order or command.
Demand.
No, it's a decree. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Robert Downey Jr.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, Hampton School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen.
No, it's Sam Rockwell. General knowledge, DeCarteret. On which continent is Angel Falls located?
South America.
South America.
That's right. General knowledge, Hampton School, which is the only continent without a desert.
Without a desert. Australia. Let me have.
Australia. Australia.
No, Europe. Sport, a visual question for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Don't jump. We have this.
Paulo Dybala.
No, it's Arbeloa. Alvaro Arbeloa, new manager for Real Madrid. Sport for Hampton School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here.
Looks like a coach.
Oh, yes. Luis Enrique.
Luis Enrique.
PSG manager, that's right. Geography, DeCarteret. What is the name of the longest line of latitude?
Equator.
Equator.
That's right. Geography for Hampton. Apart from the Greenwich Meridian, what is the other name for the line of longitude that passes through Greenwich, England?
The prime meridian.
The prime meridian.
Or the international meridian, that's right. DeCarteret, chemistry. What is the number of moles in 9.8 grams of sulfuric acid?
980
No,
moles.
0.1 moles. Chemistry. A gas is 2.40 dm cubed, Hampton, at 100 kilopascals. What is its volume at 150 kilopascals?
DM cube.
No, 1.60 dm cubed is what we were looking for. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be DeCarteret College just ahead on 6 points, the Hampton School on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.